For this stitch, we need multiple of 10 plus 5 extra stitch plus 2 for edges. So here I custom the stitches like this. Row 1, 3, 5, 7 the same with slip 1, purl 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After we take the yarn in front of the work, slip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After we purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last stitch we just purl for edge. Row 2, 4 and 6 we slip 1, purl all the stitches. So I done 7 rows. As you see here we have treats. So I do now row 8. I slip 1. Row 8 we slip 1, purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I've purled 2 also, 1, 2. So here we have 1. With this 1 stitch, I see this treats. I take this all 4 to the needle. After with this one, I purl all the 4 stitch. See? After purl 2, 1, 2. So after I purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last stitch I just purl for edge. So as you see, here we have butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We purl. After we purl also 1, 2 stitch. With this one we make butterfly. 1, 2 also. So here we have 5. After this 2 we purl also 5 stitch. Row 9, 11, 13, 15 rows we do like this. We slip 1, slip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn in front of the work. After we purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After we slip 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last stitch we just purl for edge. So we slip it 5, purl 5, slip 5. Row 10, 12 and 14 we just purl all the stitches like this. So I done 15 rows. Row 16 and we slip 1, purl 2, 1 and 2. This stitch we purl with threads. So here I insert the needle and pull all the threads to the needle and purl with this for this one stitch. See, after purl 1, 2. So after we purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 stitch. So we purl 2, 1 and 2. So with this stitch we purl all these threads, pick up to the needle, and with this one we purl all the stitches and all 4 threads. So purl 2, 1 and 2. Last stitch we just purl 4 edges. So here our butterflies done.